Process analysis tools consist of flowcharts, process maps, written procedures, and work instructions. These tools are integral to any lean design. We will dedicate this lesson to value stream mapping. Other process analysis tools will be showcased in the following lesson. A value stream map is a type of process map. All activities in the production process are identified from the very beginning to the very ending. This could also include the suppliers and the customers as well. Value stream maps typically focus on material and information flow. Each step can then be designated as value added or non-value added. Benefits of a value stream map include seeing the complete process flow, finding sources of waste, helping to remove communication barriers, making the flow the central consideration in the decision process, tying multiple lean concepts and techniques together, establishing a linkage between the information and the material flow, and fostering opportunities for continuous improvement. Our value stream map process starts with defining the product family. A product family is a group of products that pass through similar process steps and over common equipment. Sometimes product families can pass through many departments. Coordination of our effort can become diluted or lost. A value stream manager can be useful in purposing resources across multiple areas. A matrix organization is an ideal environment for these roles. Value stream managers share reports with multiple departmental managers. Value stream managers should be closely tied to the operations side of the business and be very hands-on. The team should always start by understanding the current state map of the process. Walk the process, see the process for yourself and as a group. Very often our perceptions of what we think is happening, what is documented to happen, and what is actually happening are significantly different. Consider starting from the point of completion and working your way back. Value stream maps are meant to be living documents. Use of Post-it notes and other related tools combined with a workroom with a dedicated wall is an ideal way to proceed. Consider bringing a timing device. Make sure to fully inform the workforce before you walk through. We don't want any misunderstandings or lack of clarity regarding our aims. As you develop your understanding, make note of the time it takes to transform the raw material into the product. This is the value-added time. Also make note of the time it takes one piece of product to move through all the processes. This is the lead time. Cycle time can also be useful. This is the time it takes a piece to complete an individual process. It would also be suggested to note the uptime of the process. This gives us an indication of the reliability or robustness of the process step. After the current state has been established, it is now time to envision the future state. The future state will be the one where wastes have been eliminated and non-value added steps have been reduced. Look for creative solutions. The more intimate we are with the process, the more opportunities we can see and exploit. Some things to think about would be the takt time of the process. What is the flow of the product? Does it go directly to shipping? Is there a pull system in place? Can one be incorporated? Can continuous flow be adapted to the process? Is this possible? What is the critical process? Is this the process that requires the most time, robustness, or technical ability? All other process steps fall in line behind this step. If there is a failure here, the line will halt. Can we level the process? What would be the triggers for a possible Kanban system? And as always, what are any and all opportunities for improvement? Reduce waste and non-value added time, simplification, and use of mistake proofing or any other lean approaches should be explored. A final step in the value stream mapping process is to develop an implementation plan. Implementation plans are highly detailed with gates, measurable goals, a means to assess progress, and deliverables. Gantt charts are ideal tools for this phase. Dedicated resources, funding, and management support are essential.